down when I go for a party or something like that. Tell us another one, man. Tell us another one. What bloody other one? I would put my finger inside there and bloody hell do like this, like this, like this, like this. Ah. But the best one I like was about the guy who's having an affair with another guy's wife. He gets a signal. Within no time he's in the room. They are both in bed. Suddenly the bell rings again, the doorbell. She tells him, get out. It's my husband. How do you know it's your husband? 2 rings of the bell, that means I think he has forgotten something. He has forgotten his hat. Get out. If he sees you in bed with me, he'll shoot you and shoot me also. He'll kill both of us. You better jump out. So this bugger goes running and he jumps out of the window. The bugger doesn't realize that it's a bungalow and he is on the ground floor. He is hanging there on the very windowsill, stark nude. In the meantime, suddenly he notices the New York Marathon was bloody taking place and all the guys are running. Oh hell, he said, this is my only bloody chance of escape now. So he leaves the window and he jumps and is running with these guys, stark nude. The guy next to him looks at him and says, hey Mac, you always like to run in the nude, man? Yep, he says. Good. And tell me another thing, he said, do you always wear a condom when you run? Only when I think it's going to rain, he says.